So, I was at Hobby Lobby when I saw this. A Transformers knockoff thing. And look. This is $4. So, yeah. Anyways, this, upon first looking, is a extremely wrongly colored Optimus Prime with two swords. Odd. On the package, it shows something different. What looks like the 2007 movie version of Jazz. I actually got a knockoff of the 2007 movie version of Jazz. It was in a different package and it was smaller. Here's a picture of it. Anyways, let's get back to this, shall we? And there are four you can actually get. And look, this is the right coloring for Optimus Prime. It shows it on the back. And yet, there's also this. I don't think they transformed Jazz right there. And whoever this is supposed to be. I think I actually have a smaller version of this. It's a different color that's an official one, so yeah. And there's this one as well. I mean, look, no police word on the side. Huh. Well, I've prolonged the opening long enough. Time to unbox this thing. Yeah. Okay. Time to finally see where the instructions that are included is what it's telling me are. Okay, let's open this, shall we? Okay. And, okay. What the fuck? Okay, does this go back? These don't... Yeah, I'll assume that's how they go, and let's have them stand, shall we? Okay, let's retrieve the rest of the stuff from the package, shall we? First we have the swords, which are taped in there. Get out, you fucker. Okay. There's still tape on that sword. Okay, now let's rip the other one out. Yeah, I actually got the tape off of it. Okay, now to try to get the tape off of this fucker. Done. Okay. Whatever. And now, let's see the so-called instructions. And immediately it says something different on it than the box. This says Super Machine Robot, huh? And now I get instructions on how to transform it. Well, now let's see how that goes. I think I'll turn the camera off for a second. Well, I did it. It was an extreme fucking pain to do, but I did it. I got this knockoff Optimus Prime transformed. I know, there's a lot back here. And this doesn't clip together right. And this looks like it's going to break off. And the entire thing, while transforming it, felt it was going to break off. So, now, let's robot transform it on camera, shall we? Head out. Okay. And the arms are the hardest part. Ha, I just said hardest part. Okay. There. 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 I'm the fucking master of transforming this hard as fuck to transform knockoff. So, I don't see what he looks like with one of these swords that sword that I've got here. Eh, eh. Does he hold it like this? What? This won't even fucking fit. Okay, why don't we check the other one then, huh? The other one won't fucking fit either. Wait, I got it. You slide. I think you slide it into here. Oh, is this it? Is this how you? And then I'll just slide the other one onto his other one, like that. Huh. Well, this is the weirdest fucking thing I've gotten in a while. Okay then. And I guess that was it. That's my Optimus Prime Transformers knockoff thing I got from Hobby Lobby. Well, this was a video. Come back to this channel on Friday for a new episode of the LEGO SpongeBob Adventures. It will be more epic than you'll ever know.